Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you my simple breakfast. Yes, this is egg and plantain frittata. Very filling and then delicious. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing is to fry the plantain. So I slice them into round shape and then deep fry it until it's golden brown. Please make sure not to use overripe plantain so you could achieve a good result. Once the plantain is done, remove it from the oil and then put it in a strainer to get out the excess oil from the plantain. So the next thing is to make the egg mixture. So in a mixing bowl, I'm adding 5 fresh eggs, and then I'll go ahead and add my spices. I'll be using half teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of seasoning cube, and then half a teaspoon black pepper. You can use any spices of your choice. Once everything goes inside, give it a quick mix and then go ahead and add your vegetables and then any protein of your choice. You can use sausage, corned beef, or even sardines. So I'm using a half cup of corned beef, and then I will be adding 50 grams of white onion, 50 grams of shredded carrot, 50 grams of green bell pepper, and then 20 grams of scallions. Mix everything together and then go ahead and put it in your baking pan. You can also use a casserole, anything that you want to bake this in, or you can even pan fry it. So once the mixture goes inside the baking pan, you top up with your fried plantains, and then please preheat your oven to 200 degrees and then bake this for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, the egg and plantain frittata is ready. I'll round the sides with an offset spatula and then flip it over onto my plate, and then it's ready to be served. Yes, this is a very simple but delicious recipe, okay? A great way to enjoy your eggs, plantain, and vegetables. Very easy. As I said, you can add any protein of your choice, whether corned beef, sardine, sausages, anything that you prefer. You can also add any vegetables of your choice. I have my sweet cherry tomatoes here, and then I'll also enjoy some strawberries. So anything that you prefer, you can have with your frittata. All right, so if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Please stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye.